Good morning, students. This lesson is of class 5 for the subject of General Science, chapter number 9, Work and Energy of your textbook titled New Trends in Science, Evergreen Publications, and is being submitted to you on 14th December 2020. Dear students, today we are going to learn the definition of energy and different forms of energy. Energy is needed to move or change the shape and size of an object. It can be simply defined as the capacity to do work. We get energy from food we eat. Now, work and energy, they are related to each other. Whenever work is done, there is always a change or transfer of energy. Thus, energy is needed to do work. We get energy to do work from food items that are rich in carbohydrates and fats. These are called energy giving foods. The amount of energy that we need also depends upon the task that we are doing. For example, we need more energy to swim or jog than what we need to walk slowly. We need more energy to play sports such as football than what we need to sit at home and watch football on television. The next topic is the principle of energy conservation. According to the principle of energy conservation, energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, but it can be converted from one form to the other. We all know that sun is the main source of energy on the earth. Sun's energy is taken by green plants to prepare their food. That process is photosynthesis. These green plants are eaten by herbivores and energy gets transferred to their body. Herbivores are further eaten by carnivores and the energy is further transferred to carnivores. Now, let us learn about different forms of energy. Number one, mechanical energy. The energy possessed by a body due to its state of rest or of motion is known as mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is further of two types, kinetic energy and potential energy. Let us now discuss the kinetic energy, the energy possessed by a body by virtue of its motion is called kinetic energy. For example, flowing water has kinetic energy as it can move boats. Similarly, moving air has kinetic energy. It is used to run windmills, which in turn helps in generating electricity. Next type of mechanical energy is potential energy. The energy possessed by a body by virtue of its position is called potential energy. For example, a brick placed on a wall has energy to do work, or a stretched bow has the energy to push the arrow forward. Now, huge dams that are built to stop and store the flowing water. This stored water has potential energy. It is then made to fall from a height. Now that flowing water possesses kinetic energy. So the energy possessed by this flowing water turns huge turbines that generates electricity, and the electricity so obtained is called hydroelectricity. Now children, let us discuss the chemical energy. Chemical energy is the energy stored in the molecules of some chemicals. For example, the food you eat contains chemical energy, and your body stores this energy until you release it when you work or play. Coal, wood, natural gas are also examples of chemical energy. Chemical energy is converted to heat energy when fuel is burnt. So, next type of energy is heat energy. The energy obtained by burning of fuel is called heat energy. This energy is used by us in cooking food and keeping warm in winters. Heat energy is also used to produce electricity in thermal power plants. The sun is a natural source of heat energy. Heat energy from the sun helps to maintain the right temperature on the earth. Next type of energy is light energy. We can see due to light energy. It is light energy which allows us to see different colors also. The sun is a natural source of light energy. Light energy from the sun is used by plants to make their food by the process called photosynthesis. Now, the next form of energy is sound energy. Sound is also a form of energy as it is produced by vibrating objects. When a sound is produced, it travels through a medium like air, water to reach our ears. This sound, on reaching our ears, vibrates the eardrum and help us to hear. Now, children, answer the following questions to recapitulate what we have learned today. The question is name the following. Number one, the capacity to do work. Number two, the electricity generated by using water energy. Number three, the ultimate source of energy on the earth. Number four, the energy possessed by a body by virtue of its motion. Number five, the energy produced by vibrating objects. Number six, the energy which allows us to see things around us. The answers to above questions are number one, energy, number two, hydroelectricity, number three, sun, number four, kinetic energy, number five, sound energy, and number six, light energy. With this, children, I'm ending today's interactive session. In next session, we are going to discuss some more types of energy. Thank you, children.